Why do round wheels help vehicles run easily? One sunny afternoon, Lily was playing with her toy car when she noticed Rolly spinning smoothly.
Hi Rolly. I love watching you spin. But why are wheels round? How do you help the car run so easily?
Great question, Lily. Let me tell you why round wheels make vehicles run smoothly.
Rolly began by explaining what a wheel is.
A wheel is a round object that helps vehicles move by rolling on the ground.
So, wheels are like the shoes for cars and trucks.
Rolly explained the importance of the wheel's shape.
Wheels are round because the shape allows them to roll smoothly without getting stuck.
That's why my car can go forward and backward easily.
Rolly shared how rolling helps vehicles move.
When I roll, I create less friction with the ground, which makes it easier for the car to move.
Less friction means my car can go faster and use less energy.
Rolly explained how round wheels make movement efficient.
Round wheels help the car move forward continuously without needing to lift up with each step.
That makes my car keep going without stopping.
Rolly talked about how round wheels provide balance and stability.
Being round helps keep the vehicle balanced and stable while it's moving.
That's why my car doesn't wobble when it's rolling.
Rolly shared how round wheels are versatile for different terrains.
Round wheels can handle different surfaces like pavement, grass, and gravel, making them versatile for many types of vehicles.
That's why my car can drive on the sidewalk and the playground.
Rolly explained how round wheels help save energy.
Because round wheels roll smoothly, vehicles use less energy to keep moving, which is good for saving fuel.
That means my car can go farther without needing as much energy.
Rolly shared an interesting fun fact about wheels.
Did you know that the first wheels were invented over 5,000 years ago and were also round for the same reasons?
Wow! Round wheels have been important for a very long time.
Rolly explained how wheels are used in different ways today.
Today, wheels are used in cars, bikes, skateboards, and even airplanes to help them move smoothly.
I love riding my bike and watching airplanes take off.
There are over 1 billion wheels in use around the world every day.